It's a 2004 GMC Envoy. Standard features include air conditioning, one-touch power windows, remote power door locks, four-wheel anti-lock brakes, child safety locks, and a tilt steering wheel. True to its name, this Envoy is the perfect diplomat with family-friendly features that both parents and kids will love. Nothing brings the family together like the Envoy. Take it for a test drive today. Here's a 2004 GMC Envoy. Front and rear stabilizer bars, exterior entry lighting, a roof rack, trailer wiring, fog lights, cornering lights, cruise control, and leather-wrapped steering wheel all come standard in this roomy and refined Envoy. Whether you need an SUV for off-roading, hauling, or your family's everyday transportation, this sensational Envoy can do it all. Take it for a test drive today.
We're confident we have the right used car, truck, or SUV for you. Stop in and see us today at 2008 US Highway 19 in Holiday, Florida.